Hi guys, another highlight of our trip. We decided to go on a boat ride, and we are on River Narmada. It's just fantastic. I'll give you a quick glimpse.
साइड में देखो मगरमच्छ के हेड क्वार्टर जहाँ ढेर सारे पत्थर गिरे हैं। यहीं पे मगरमच्छ निकलते थे पहले। विद फैमिली रहते थे, दो बड़े दो छोटे, मम्मी पापा दो बच्चे। वो भी नेचुरल है कंडीशन था, लेकिन राजकुमार
So back in the day, they had crocodiles in here. That's what the guy just mentioned. Yeah, it's very scenic, very relaxing, very soothing, calming, and the water is very clear. I don't know if you can see much, but if you look down, you can see the ground where possible. The depth in places is around 220, 250 between that feet. So this place seems. All right. So this place is again very, very popular for shooting Bollywood films. So yeah, the tour guide seems to, or the tour, this whole tour is around Bollywood. So they tell you about the movies that were shot, and they put a bit of their own twist with it. So
इंदौर की जो महारानी थी ना, अहिल्याबाई होलकर, उन्होंने स्थापना किया है इसे। 400 साल पुराना एक साधु का डेली आना जाना, दिन भर पूजा पाठ, शाम को बेड़ा घाट। एक दिन आ गई बाढ़, साधु पहुंचा औरंगाबाद। जैसे साधु छुट्टी पर है।
fantastic. Yeah, the quiet and just the sound of water. Don't really feel it. Fantastic. Let me enjoy the rest of it. Okay. Speak soon with more.